Understanding Healthcare Apps, a guide to English language learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a term that's become increasingly important in our digital world: healthcare apps. These apps are reshaping how we manage our health and interact with healthcare services. So, let's dive in and understand what they are all about. Healthcare apps are mobile or web-based applications designed to provide health-related services and information. They offer a wide range of features, from tracking physical activity and diet to managing chronic conditions like diabetes. Some even connect you directly with healthcare professionals for consultations. These apps are a part of the broader field of digital health, combining technology with personal health and wellness. There are several types of healthcare apps, each serving different needs. 1. Fitness and wellness apps. These apps track physical activities, monitor sleep patterns, and offer wellness tips. 2. Medical reference apps, aimed at healthcare professionals. These provide access to medical research, drug information, and case studies. 3. Telemedicine apps, enable virtual consultations with doctors, making healthcare more accessible. 4. Medication reminder apps, help patients remember to take their medications on time. 5. Chronic condition management apps, assist in managing conditions like asthma, diabetes, or heart disease. Healthcare apps offer several benefits. Convenience, access health information and services anytime, anywhere. Empowerment, help individuals take charge of their health. Personalization, tailor health recommendations based on personal data. Cost-effective, reduce the need for in-person doctor visits. Data tracking, enable better tracking and management of health conditions. While healthcare apps are beneficial, there are challenges to consider. Privacy and security, ensuring personal health data is secure. Accuracy, the reliability of health information provided. Accessibility, making sure these apps are accessible to all, including those with disabilities. Regulation, ensuring these apps comply with healthcare regulations. Healthcare apps are transforming the way we approach personal health and wellness. They offer convenience, empowerment, and personalized care. However, it's important to be mindful of their challenges, particularly regarding data privacy and accuracy. We hope this video helps you better understand and navigate the world of healthcare apps. Stay healthy and informed.